What's up? Another episode of Cooking with the Cash Clan. It's me, Sir Cash. Got Young Bear, got Bray, also known as TSM Myth on the camp. He looks like TSM Myth. Look at him. Anyways, we are cooking fish today. So went to the store and we got this fish. It's about 1.5 pounds of cod. So I am not some cooking guru, but I want to make this video really for my boys. Anybody else who likes it, cool. So we're gonna have kind of like our own homemade fish and chips. So what we've done is went to the store, picked up some golden twists, preheated the oven, and I actually sprayed the pan just in case any fries get on the bottom, they won't burn. And then this is what we got. We got canola oil here, and I got it heating up around about 6 on the eye while that gets hot enough. So this is how I'm going to prepare the food. The oven's preheating. Once that's finished preheating, we'll go ahead and throw the fries on there and throw that in the oven. I think it says we need to cook it for about 17 to 21 minutes. Oh, you can cook it in the bag? I don't want to do it in the bag. I'd rather, half a bag. Okay. So, 15 minutes or so. So, just that way, son. So you have plenty of space. You too. Alright, so here's how we're going to cook this fish. So, this is our cod. Number one thing when it comes to fish, I normally keep water running. I do not like dirty hands. So for this whole thing, I'm going to keep my water kind of low because I'll be going back and forth. So here's how I prepare this fish. Go ahead and open this smelly thing up. I got my knife, and here's the cod. Go ahead and pull out a couple fillets. So there we go. And for this, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting it. I don't have a cutting board. This ain't no fancy cooking show. This is cooking kind of in the hood, except we're in a nice neighborhood. This is Negro cooking in a nice neighborhood. So cut these up kind of like in strips and stuff. So there, what you can do is you can help me throw away this stuff. I was always taught that a good cook is a clean cook. So I clean as I go. I don't like having anything dirty, including my hands. So ingredients. You ain't black if you ain't got Lowry's. Everybody should have Lowry's. You ever been to somebody's house and they ain't got like seasoning, or you taste their food and it's like bland? Because you ain't got Lowry's. Lowry's makes everything better. I can throw Lowry's on the fries. I can throw Lowry's on the fish. I can throw Lowry's on you, and it'd be better. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and crack some eggs. And for those who don't know what the egg is for, okay, so that's done. That's preheated, so Bear, open up that bag and pour the whole bag in there, okay? You got some scissors right there.
So pour the whole bag in here?
Yeah, pour the whole bag in there. So, I took 2 eggs, probably gonna do 3, since we're gonna be cooking a lot of fish today. So, get your eggs all battered up. And this is what we're going to do. This is flour, and this is a fish fry, and Lowry's all put together. And if you see, it doesn't look clear. It has like a little tan tint to it. That's because it has all the 3 ingredients in it. And so essentially what we're going to do is we're going to take the fish, we're going to go ahead and throw it in our egg essentially our egg is gonna act like a paste. It's kind of like a glue for the flour. So we'll put it in there.
The whole thing there?
Yeah, the whole thing. Yeah, get it in there, spread it around. So,
like I said, I don't know if I'm a germaphobe. I just don't like dirty hands, to be honest.
I don't either.
right. What's a good cook? You. What's a good cook?
A clean cook?
Right. So you can clean as you go. Even if you're gonna get dirty again. So, taking my fish, throwing it in my flour. And what I can also do, shake that mug around. Also, today is Super Bowl Sunday. You got the Rams versus the Patriots.
Rams need to win.
Yeah, and if Tom Brady, I would hope that if Tom Brady wins, just retire. Like, for real. Like, the Super Bowls are not even interesting anymore. Because, like, oh, the Patriots versus who? Like, I want to see a couple of teams that I don't care to see in the Super Bowl just because it's not the Patriots. Like, put the Browns versus, like, I don't know, the Panthers or somebody in a different division. Just give me something different.
Is that not put it here?
Yeah, you need to use two hands and open it up. Okay. You got it? Don't be afraid. Put it in there quick. All right. Now, there's that. Press that button that says cook time. Turn that up to 18 minutes. That's fine. Press the green button. All right. There we go on that. All right. So there, what I did was I took the fish from there, put it in here, and got it all battered up. Now I got to see. The one way you want to check to see if your grease is hot, if you don't have any thermometer, just take a little batter, and if it reacts, if it doesn't react, then it's not hot. So that's how you know you need to wait. Fish cooks extremely fast, really fast. So the best way to know when fish is done cooking is to see if it's floating or not. That's how I was taught. If it floats, it's done. So this is what we're going to do. So there, I want you to shake that. We don't have any sponsors because we're not big on YouTube, so we have our own sponsors. Today's episode is brought to you by Ozarka Grape Water. Take that purple, you put it in some water, and you got grape water. That's who our sponsor is. Actually, I've never seen my YouTube get to the point to where I want to make it big. Okay, that's enough. So what you do, after you shake it, what are you going to do, Bill? Right there. Same thing. I'm going to cut up some more pieces, and then we'll put it in there. How much time have we been on the recording?
We got 9 minutes, or we got a minute left.
Okay. All right. While all this is heating up, we're going to keep on cutting some pieces, and we'll come back with a part 2.